I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to defeat Cala Maria in Cuphead. Focus on pattern recognition, timing, and using parry windows to refill your super meter. Start by learning Phase 1 projectiles and openings, then adapt to tentacle and mermaid phases with mobility and spacing. Prioritize survival over damage early, and swap to aggressive play once you consistently avoid key attacks. Small practice runs build muscle memory and reduce. Phase 1 is all about reading arcs and staying calm under pressure. Focus on horizontal movement and short hops to navigate her projectile patterns while maintaining a steady damage output. Pick a weapon that lets you pressure from distance, and parry pink bubbles whenever safe to build your super. Avoid panic dashes into bullets, and reset positioning after each salvo to keep consistent spacing and minimize mistakes. The mermaid phase rewards patience and platform control, so resist reckless aggression. Keep an eye on safe landing spots and time your jumps to avoid sudden dives and sweeping swipes. Conserve your super for moments when her head is exposed, and you can safely unload significant damage. Practice anticipating her tail animations and reposition between attacks to maintain an advantageous angle without risking a full-screen hit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.